Hi, I'm a science teacher for grade 7 in an NCRT school, and I've just got this brand new Ontum Smart TV kit in my classroom. I'm going to see how easy it is to use and show all of you as well. The first thing I need to do when I walk into my class is use the content box remote to turn the box on. Typically, this only needs to be done once a day, right at the beginning, and then the box and TV can remain on for the rest of the day for all the lessons. It starts up very quickly, and once that's done, you can put away these two remotes and not worry about them at all. Earlier, I used to teach the class using my textbook, but today I'm going to use the textbook as a mouse pad because the Ontum app, which is located prime center in your home screen, has everything you need to teach an effective and engaging lesson. So I click on the Ontum app and start it. And again, this needs to be done once at the beginning of the day. The app loads very quickly. All the content is contained on the box offline, so I don't need to worry about internet connectivity. So when you first start the box, all the content is available on the home screen. Remember what I said. I'm a 7th grade teacher, so I click on the 7th grade icon in the filter. I'm teaching science, I'm teaching NCRT, and I'm in an English medium school, so I'm going to choose my language of delivery as English. I then hit apply, and all the relevant chapters show up on my screen. Today I plan to teach Fiber to Fabric, which is chapter 3 in grade 7 NCRT. And again, it's very easy for me to find because our lessons are organized according to the same chapter names you are familiar with in your book, and your students are too. I click on the chapter, and since this is the first lesson, I click on the lesson loads, and I'm ready to go. The navigation is extremely simple. It's all done using the mouse. The first thing we start with is a recap from the same lesson in grade 6. If I look at my chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric in the grade 7 textbook, the first part of the chapter is also a recap. After the recap, we go to the next part of the chapter, which in the book is a study of various animals that have fur and how we use fur in day-to-day life. If I were to read from the book, it would be extremely boring for the students. And what the lesson today does is it brings the book to life. There is an engaging story to hook the students' attention. There are beautifully drawn pictures, and as I go through the lesson, there are visuals specifically chosen, different from the book, that make the concepts easy to explain. The entire lesson can be delivered in 40 minutes, and you as a teacher can pick and choose what slides you want to use. If you spend just 10 minutes the previous day preparing for this lesson at home on your device on our teacher app, you know the lesson in and out. So this lesson saves you an incredible amount of time. It lets you get ahead with showing engaging visuals and conducting activities to really bring your class to life. So that's it. Start the box, find your lesson quickly, and you're off the blocks, and your students are going to have a great time in today's lesson. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on an Ontum Smart Class solution. Explore our easy to use, intuitive interface. Get access to thousands of lessons that are built to bring your classroom to life and build students who are going to confidently walk into the 21st century with a deep conceptual understanding, with key competencies covered, and students of strong moral character.